Hello and welcome to TNC Flipbook. I'm Tawfiq here with you to share the new updates that has come in 10.9.4. PDF Viewer for WordPress is regularly updated and maintained. So today we have released another update which is 10.9.4. Come here on Code Canon page and here you can see all the changelog that has taken place. So in this update, flip sound effect is added. Let's check this out first. Now the question is how to enable or disable that sound from your viewer. That is very simple. Just go to PDF Viewer and then Global Settings. And then from the Appearance tab, you can disable or enable the flip sound. Just click on Yes to disable the sound, and to keep the sound on, pick No and then click on Save. So adding sound is that simple with PDF Viewer for WordPress. Second update that took place was fix too many redirect error on draft preview of viewer. So a lot of our users were complaining that there were an error of too many redirects on the draft viewer, but from now on there will be no such errors at all. We have fixed the issue and you can use PDF Viewer more conveniently. The last update of this version that came up is now you can use separate logo and favicon for each viewer. Go to PDF Viewer and then the Edit PDF Viewer page. You will see favicon and logo option in every PDF viewer. Let's click on Edit and in the Appearance tab, just turn off the Global Settings option and you can see logo and favicon has been added to each of PDF Viewer. So you can add different logos and favicons for different PDF Viewer page. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more such updates, subscribe to TNC Flipbook.